let us do a combination sum where the condition is either in or out. What do you mean by in or out? Let us see with this sum. Okay. Mr. and Miss Caldecott have 5 sons and 4 daughters. You came across information, write it down. Mr. C and Miss C have 5 sons and 4 daughters. Clear? Let's continue. All 11 members of the family play tennis. 6 members of the family enter a tennis competition where team consists of 4 males and 2 females. From this entire family, 6 members enter a competition. These 6 members consist of 4 males and 2 females given here. Clear so far? Let's continue. Find the number of different teams of 4 males and 2 females that could be selected if, first bit, there are no further restrictions. Without any restriction, how many ways can you select 4 males and 2 females? To do that, first you write the male and female count. How many male are present? 1 plus 5, 6. And female count is 1 plus 4, 5. So from the 6 males, you need to select 4 male. That can be done in 6C4 ways. From the 5 female, you need to select 2 females. That can be done in 5C2 ways. Clear? You need to select 4 male and 2 female. Whenever it is and, you will put into sign. So put this in the calculator, you get the answer to be 150 is the answer for the first bit. Okay. Now second bit. Mr. and Miss Caldecott must both be in the team. These two should be present in the team. Clear? At any time, Mr. and Miss Caldecott should be present in the team. Clear? Let us see. Now, I need to select 4 male and 2 female. Now, the condition is in this selection, Mr. and Miss Caldecott has to be present. That can only happen if I take them and place in my selection. Clear? I take them and put in my selection. So, I take Mr. Caldecott and place in my selection. So, now Mr. Caldecott. Same, Miss Caldecott also needs to be in my selection. So, what I do? I take her and I keep it in my selection. Miss Caldecott. Clear till here? When I take them and place in my selection, what all changes occur? See. Earlier I wanted 4 male, 1 male is selected, so 3 more males I need to select. Earlier I had to select 2 female, 1 female is selected, so I need to select 1 female more. And also change occurs in male and female count. Earlier male count was 6. When 1 male has been taken and selected, now the male count will be 5. Earlier female count was 5. When 1 female has been selected, so that will decrease this count to be 4. Clear? This changes happen when you take them and keep it in your selection. Now, from the remaining 5 males, selecting 3 can be done in 5C3. From the remaining 4 females, selecting 1 female can be done in 4C1 ways. Okay. It is 3 males and one female. Whenever it is and, you should put into sign. So this into this will give the answer to be 40 is your answer. Third bit. Either Mr. or Miss Caldecott is in the team but not both. What does this statement mean? Means if Mr. Caldecott is in, Miss Caldecott should not be selected. Or if Mr. Caldecott is not in the selection, Miss Caldecott should be in. Means at a time only one of them has to be present in your selection. Clear? Let us see. He says if Mr. Caldecott is in, Miss Caldecott should not be selected. Or if Mr. Caldecott is not selected, Miss Caldecott should be in. Clear with the statement? What does it mean? Okay, now let us see. I need to select 4 males and 2 females. In this situation 1, when Mr. Caldecott is in, how do I make sure that Mr. Caldecott is in? Only one way. Take him and place it in your selection. In that way, I make sure that Mr. Caldecott is present in my selection. Clear? Now, Miss Caldecott should not be selected. How do you make sure that she is not selected? Only one way. Keep her away from the selection. Clear? Now, this does some change. When I select Mr. Caldecott and when I put Miss Caldecott away from selection, this does certain change. What change does it do? Earlier I needed 4 male. 1 male is selected, so I need to select 3 more males. Miss Caldecott is away, so still I need to select 2 female. Okay, now how many male are present? 5 males are present, I need to select 3. That can be done in 5C3 ways. 4 female are present, I need to select 2. That can be done in 4C2. Here it is and 3 males and 2 females. So whenever it is and, you put into. So if you multiply this, you get the answer to be 60. Situation 2. Mr. Caldecott should not be selected and Miss Caldecott should be in. Clear? Now, I need to select 4 males and 2 females. Miss Caldecott should be in. How do I make sure that she is in my selection? Only one way. Take her and place it in your selection. Okay. Now, how do I make sure that Mr. Caldecott is not selected? Only one way. Keep him away from the selection. Clear? Now, what change does it do? Earlier you needed to select 2 female, 1 female is already selected, so you need to select 1 more female and also 4 males. Okay, now let us select them. How many males are present? You will not consider Mr. Caldecott, you will consider only this, 5 sons. From 5 male, selecting 4 male can be done in 5C4 ways. Now here, 1 more female. How many females are present? 4. From 4, selecting 1 female can be done in 4C1. It is 4 males and 1 female. Whenever it is and, you will put into sign. So if you multiply these two, the answer you get is 20. Okay, now it is or between them. Whenever it is or, you will add situation 1 and situation 2 answer to get the final. So your final answer will be adding these two. So 60 plus 20, 80 will be your final answer. Clear?